Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you how to achieve the cartoon effect on Picsart. First, select any image of your preference. Now go to Effects and under Magic, select Undead. Make sure that you fade out the effect as shown. After that, go to Effects again and under Effects, select Vibrant. Fade it as shown. Again, go to Effects and under Colors, select Contrast. Here, select the Multiply option and decrease the amount as shown. Click Done. And now you have a cartoon-like image ready to go. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.